Good evening, friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. This is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. Some Americans will receive double relief payments in the month of February. It is also likely that lawmakers in Congress will pass a fourth round of stimulus payments very soon. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Well, you would think when it comes to something like child care, the people advocating for the so-called BBB would want to make things better, not make them worse. Yet they have accomplished exactly that, made it actually worse, not better. You've heard about the reduced access and the increased cost. And of course, as working moms, when they can't find affordable child care, means they're not part of the labor force. And if there's one thing I hear from Texas employers, it's they can't find enough good people to perform the good, well-paying jobs that exist in this economy. And then there's the whole issue of inflation across the board. Not just inflation when it comes to child care costs, but inflation for literally everything from your gas to the food that you put on the table. Of course, these higher costs mean less choices for working families in Texas and elsewhere. And finally, let me just say that we're beginning to peel back some of the mystery of the Build Back Better or Build Back Broke bill when it comes to the
prospects for a January stimulus payment via the advanced child tax credit are growing dim. That doesn't mean that families might not receive the full amount eventually. Speaker to reporters, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said that the White House would look into the possibility of doubling up payments in February, and that's if Congress passes President Biden's Build Back Better plan early in the new year. The plan, which is stalled in the Senate right now, would continue the monthly per-child payments through the year 2022. According to The Hill, Jen Psaki stated, "If we get it done in January, we'd talk to Treasury officials and others about doubling. If we get it done in January, we'd talk to Treasury officials and others about doing double payments in February as an option." The president wants to see this move forward. It is a priority for him as soon as Congress returns. The Internal Revenue Service has advised Congress it would need the package passed by December 28th in order to distribute January's payment on time. The total child tax credit is $3,600 for each child under the age of 6 and $3,000 for each child aged 6 to 17, payable in monthly installments of $300 and $250. Half of the total $1,800 or $1,500 was paid in 2021, with the remainder claimed when filing taxes in 2022. Doubling up the payments would mean that families could receive as much as $600 per child in February. The December payment was issued earlier this week. The first payment, approved as part of the American Rescue Plan stimulus package, which was passed in March, started going out in July of this year. Lawmakers are still pushing for more stimulus checks until the crisis ends. 26 Democrats reportedly have recently signed 2 letters that were sent to the White House, campaigning for automatic stabilizers for future stimulus checks. And if Congress approves this, it means that automatic payments deposited into bank accounts of millions of Americans. Friends, the keyword for this video is SLED. If you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like this video, comment below this keyword, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. According to Newsweek, the White House does support automatic stabilizers for unemployment. Congressman Jimmy Gomez acknowledged the success of the Biden administration's American Rescue Plan. Millions of Americans have received their stimulus money over the course of the last few months. Though Gomez, like many Democrats have stated, it isn't enough economic relief for the American people. So in a letter, Congressman Gomez stated, "The success of the American Rescue Plan, combined with direct financial assistance in the CARES Act and prior federal legislation, is evident in communities nationwide. But we cannot pretend that a $1,400 check will be enough to last a year, and we need to be prepared with a strengthened safety net should a similar economic crisis strike once again." While the White House supports automatic payments of unemployment benefits, lawmakers like Gomez support merging in stimulus checks to automatic payments too. Congressman Gomez said, "Tying recurring direct cash payments and federal unemployment benefits to the country's economic conditions not only makes sense, but it also shows the American people that their government is prepared to help them in the event of another economic catastrophe. I look forward to working with President Biden to ensure we can deliver these two critical economic recovery tools to uplift all American workers and their families." Hence, Democrats support automatic payments for both expanded unemployment and stimulus checks. According to the letter, the American Rescue Plan's $1,400 checks alone will not keep 11 million people out of poverty this year. With unemployment insurance expansion and many other provisions in the bill accounting for another 5 million, a fourth and fifth check could keep an additional 12 million people out of poverty. Combined with the effects of the American Rescue Plan, direct payments could reduce the number in poverty in 2021 from 44 million to 16 million Americans. Almost 3 million Americans have signed a petition created by a restaurant owner calling for the government to issue $2,000 monthly stimulus checks for every American. That petition reads, "I am calling on Congress to support families with a $2,000 payment for adults and a $1,000 payment for kids immediately, and continuing regular checks for the duration of this crisis. Otherwise, laid-off workers, furloughed workers, the self-employed, and workers dealing with reduced hours will struggle to pay their rent or put food on the table." So friends, do you agree with the petition? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Saturday evening. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. The two winners of this past Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway are Lucy Parton and Millie Smith. Congratulations to both of you! Remember, everyone, if you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very, very blessed weekend.